Is your productivity stopped because Network Access Protection Service can't find the Napinsp Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we begin the manual steps for Napinsp Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Napinsp Library, the Network Access Protection NAP Namespace Provider. It manages the unmanaged secure network access states for client machines. It facilitates the communication between the OS and the NAP Health Policy Server to ensure a machine meets security requirements before being granted network access. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Napinsp Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Napinsp library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Napinsp Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Napinsp library environment. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Napinsp library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.